Hi, welcome to Dream Cars, your ultimate destination for everything luxurious, powerful and elegant on wheels. Today we're diving into the stunning exterior of the 2025 Kia K8, a sedan that redefines modern automotive design. Let's start at the front of the 2025 Kia K8. The first thing that grabs your attention is the bold and futuristic grille. Kia has incorporated their new design philosophy, creating a seamless grille that blends with the aggressive vertical LED headlights. These headlights aren't just for show, they feature dynamic lighting technology for exceptional visibility. The sharp hood lines further enhance the bold stance, giving the K8 an unmistakable road presence. Moving to the side profile, the Kia K8 flaunts its coupe-like silhouette with smooth flowing lines. The long wheelbase and low roofline give it a sporty yet elegant character. Notice the aerodynamic side mirrors and chrome accents around the windows. These small details elevate the luxury quotient. The car sits on stunning 19-inch alloy wheels with a dual-tone finish, perfectly complementing its sleek black exterior. The back of the Kia K8 is where the design truly stands out. The tail lights feature a striking horizontal LED bar that stretches across the entire width of the car, emphasizing its width and presence. Angular detailing on the rear bumper adds a touch of sportiness, while the subtle chrome accents and dual exhaust outlets reflect sophistication. The Kia emblem sits proudly at the center, completing the elegant design from every angle. The 2025 Kia K8 exudes a perfect blend of boldness, elegance and modernity. Its glossy black paint highlights every curve and contour, making it a head-turner whether parked or on the move. This car is not just a statement, it's a masterpiece. Let's step inside the 2025 Kia K8, where sophistication meets cutting-edge technology. The cabin is a masterpiece of modern design, featuring high-quality materials throughout. Soft touch leather wraps the dashboard, door panels and seats with intricate stitching that adds a premium feel. The centerpiece of the interior is the massive panoramic curved display, which seamlessly integrates the 12.3-inch digital instrument cluster and a 12.3-inch infotainment touchscreen. This interface is intuitive, responsive and packed with features like navigation, wireless smartphone connectivity and advanced vehicle controls. The steering wheel is sporty yet elegant, featuring touch-sensitive buttons for easy access to all key functions. The ambient lighting system, customizable in 64 colors, creates a relaxing or vibrant mood to match your drive. Seating is designed for ultimate comfort, ventilated, heated and with power adjustable options, ensuring that every passenger enjoys a first-class experience. Now let's move to the backside of the Kia K8, a true work of art. The rear design emphasizes a wide and commanding stance. The LED tail lights create a continuous futuristic light bar that spans across the entire rear, giving the car a unique identity, especially at night. The sharply sculpted bumper adds a sporty vibe, complete with chrome accents and integrated dual exhaust outlets, which enhance its luxurious yet performance-oriented appeal. The trunk design is not just stylish but also practical. With a power opening feature, it offers a generous amount of storage space, perfect for long road trips or everyday use. The rear glass slopes gracefully into the trunk lid, maintaining the coupe-like silhouette and giving the car an aerodynamic finish. Please subscribe, share and like, comment below. Subscribe to our channel Dream Cars.